Alright, here's the Wiha little tool set I got. This one's pretty nice. It has all the different sizes you need. It has a slick little ratchet, which I really like. Let's just pop a bit in it. You can also put in the bit extension holder, whatever you want to call it. Nice little ratcheting feature on the back here. Forgive me, it's hard to do this one-handed. That way, left, right. Nice name embossed in it. It's very light. Has good, what's the word? Tooth count, ratcheting. It's pretty high, sounds pretty high. Comes with all different pieces. What else am I forgetting here? Nice metal box, magnetic. Yeah, great collection to your work bag. I'm always needing these little tiny T8s and T10 bits. Can never have too many of those.